Hey, Ollie,
What?
you got a match?
What do you want with it?
I want to light the oven.
Go and sit down. You get on my nerves. I'll light it. Anytime I want something done right, I'll always have to do it myself.
Huh?